Ah,
Okay.
I'm in Fireland. I don't feel like I went the right way.
You said it fell off right here, like directly in front of you?
Like right, yeah, like right here. You can hear it.
Wait. Shit, I can. Damn it, why didn't I bring my auger with me? I could have just dug through the asphalt.
Is it actually like in the asphalt?
It's possible.
If you walk like right here, it like bugs a bit. Y'all, if I lost this bike, I'm gonna be really tilted.
What was on the bike?
Something for Luke.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm exploring.
Well, I'm gonna try to get through the ground. See if that does anything. To be fair, like, where are we at? We are at -10 so bedrock, well, passed already. But the actual bottom of the map isn't too much further.
Dude, this is so hype. This is amazing.
Don't get too excited now. Oh, yeah! That's the
What,
handlebar.
you see
Holy
it?
shit, yeah.
How did I do this?
Link, be sure to take those eggs, okay, buddy?
Okay, doke.
Have fun.
Yes, ma'am.
Be careful.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's a handlebar
Yeah,
right
dude.
there.
Wait, Sona, why'd you say not to get too excited?
Because anything can happen. Oh, wait! Can you get on it?
There's a big old town over there.
Yeah, just...
Yeet.
This road's awesome.
This game, what is this game?
Yo,